Hey there. I'm going to attempt to remove these black takedown pins on this olive drab lower with olive drab furniture and replace them with these olive drab pins. These are made by Spec. Nice olive drab color there. Just a slight shade different, but I think it'll look good instead of silhouetted like the black ones are. All right, what I have is this nice little tool sold by Brownells. It's an Allen key, but if you look really close right here on the tip, where am I going here? You can see that it's got a point, and it's made for removing the detent pins, or not removing them, but pushing it out of the way so that you can remove a pin. Come on. Of course, this is not a job that you do every day. Come on, baby. This pin is kind of stubborn. I wonder if I have a punch small enough to go in that hole. I don't know if this will go in that little hole or not. There we go. And the detent went flying. All right, removed. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take this spring out. I'm going to insert this nice little, pivot pin jig. And since the detent went flying, and I have another one here in the tray, I will get it out. Okay, got it out of there. Put that in place. Take my other part of this. Try this again. Try this again here. This should have been a smooth job, but it's not always. Not always. Keeps popping off. Damn thing. Now, there are lots of tricks to this. Sometimes you get it on the first try, and sometimes you don't. At least my pivot pin's not flying like it could be. Or detent, excuse me. Let's try this one more time here. I think it appears that we can do it this way. If that's the case, oh yeah, look at this. It's built in. It's built in to the pin. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, possum. I wish I had noted that earlier. There you go. All right, there's one. This rear one's not going to be as easy. Not as easy. I take the stock and castle nut off, but I've already got it staked. Come on, baby. This rear pin's a little stiff as it is. It's not wanting to come out. Let's see what we can get here. Come on, baby. Well, I'm gonna put, looks like I'm gonna have to I may have to take this whole thing off, which I don't want to do. look in my parts bin. So I got another plate. Well, it turns out I do have another plate. Got a nice phosphate one here. I'm gonna have to unstake this, and I'm gonna do a part 2 as I put the other one in.